Hello everyone, welcome to Proximal Learning Zone, where knowledge meets inspiration. In today's session, we'll be discussing Chemistry MCQs Part 2, covering concepts from basic to advanced to help you build strong fundamentals.
Which one of the following sets of phenomena would increase on raising the temperature? A. Diffusion, evaporation, compression of gases. B. Evaporation, compression of gases, solubility. C. Evaporation, diffusion, expansion of gases. D. Evaporation, solubility, diffusion, compression of gases. The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. Rate of evaporation, diffusion, and expansion of gases increase with increase in temperature. Seema visited a natural gas compressing unit and found that the gas can be liquefied under specific conditions of temperature and pressure. While sharing her experience with friends, she got confused. Help her to identify the correct set of conditions. A. Low temperature, low pressure. B. High temperature, low pressure. C. Low temperature, high pressure. D. High temperature, high pressure.
The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. Gases can be compressed under low temperature and high pressure. Under these conditions, the particles of gases come closer and liquefy. 3. Substances which flow are called A. Metals, B. Liquids, C. Gases, D. Fluids. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. A fluid is a matter which is able to flow and alter shape freely, a gas or a liquid.
4. The simplest state of matter is A. Solid, B. Liquid, C. Gas, D. All. The correct option is C. 5. The amount of water vapor present in air is A. Vapor, B. Humidity, C. Density, D. Rainfall. The correct option is B. Humidity. 6. What is the lowest temperature on Earth yet to reach? A. 0 degrees centigrade, B. 273 K, C. minus 273 K, D. minus 100 degrees centigrade. The correct option is C. minus 273 K.
7. A few substances are arranged in the increasing order of forces of attraction between their particles. Which one of the following represents a correct arrangement? A. Water, air, wind. B. Air, sugar, oil. C. Oxygen, water, sugar. D. Salt, juice, air. The correct option is C. Forces of attraction between the particles increase in the order of gases less than liquids, less than solids. Hence, the correct arrangement is oxygen, water, sugar. 8. The property to flow is unique to fluids. Which one of the following statements is correct? A. Only gases behave like fluids. B. Gases and solids behave like fluids. C. Gases and liquids behave like fluids. D. Only liquids are fluids. The correct option is C. Gases and liquids flow due to less intermolecular force in the molecules. Gases and liquids take the shape of the container in which they are put. 9. During summer, water kept in an earthen pot becomes cool because of the phenomenon of A. Diffusion, B. Transpiration, C. Osmosis, D. Evaporation. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. Earthen pot has small pores through which water keeps evaporating and evaporation causes cooling. 10th. Spreading of virus on sneezing classifies which of the following? A. Osmosis, B. Diffusion, C. Evaporation, D. Density. The correct option is B. Here is the explanation. The particles of the matter move continuously in liquids and gases. This movement is called diffusion. Who propounded the famous theory of relativity? A. Galileo Galilei, B. Newton, C. Pascal, D.
Albert Einstein. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Germany. He is known throughout the world as a man who propounded the famous theory of relativity. Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1921.
12. A gas can be liquefied by A. Lowering the pressure, B. By increasing the temperature, C. By increasing the pressure and reducing the temperature, D. By increasing the temperature and reducing the pressure. The correct option is C. 13. The vapor pressure is high in case of A. Petrol, B. Water, C. Coconut oil, D. All. Correct option is A.
14. The heat energy absorbed by a substance at its melting and boiling points is called A. Kinetic energy, B. Potential energy, C. Latent heat, D. Fusion. The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. Latent means existing but not obvious. In Greek, it means hidden. The amount of heat energy required to overcome the forces of attraction between the particles is known as latent heat. Its symbol is L. 15. Latent heat of vaporization of water is A. 80 calories per gram, B. 540 calories per gram, C. 0 calories per gram, D. 100 calories per gram. The correct option is B. Here is the explanation. It is the amount of heat required to change 1 kg of a liquid completely into vapor at its normal boiling point. 16. The density of water is maximum at A. 0 degree Celsius, B. 100 degree Celsius, C. 4 degree Celsius, D. 373 Kelvin. Correct option is C. 17. Which metal is highly malleable? A. Gold, B. Iron, C. Sodium, D. Mercury. The correct option is A. Here is the explanation. Physical properties of metals. Solid at room temperature except mercury, lustrous, ductile, hard except NaKCaPb, high density, malleable means thin sheets, good conductors of heat and electricity. The process of protecting iron from rusting by coating with zinc is called dash. Option A, galvanizing. Option B, smelting. Option C, melting. Option D, rusting. The correct option is A. Here is the explanation. Zinc is used for galvanization because it is more reactive than iron, acting as a sacrificial anode to protect the base metal. Which of the following statements are true for pure substances? A. Pure substances contain only one kind of particles. B. Pure substances may be compounds or mixtures. C. Pure substances have the same composition throughout. Or D. Pure substances can be exemplified by all elements other than nickel. The correct option is B. Here is the explanation. Pure substances are made up of only one kind of particles and they have same composition throughout. Mixtures are not pure substances. Only elements and compounds are pure substances. 20th question. Rusting of an article made up of iron is called A. Corrosion, and it is a physical as well as chemical change. B. Dissolution, and it is a physical change. C. Corrosion, and it is a chemical change. D. Dissolution, and it is a chemical change. The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. Rusting of an article made up of iron is called corrosion. It is a chemical change because a new substance, hydrated iron oxide called rust, is formed. 21. A mixture of sulfur and carbon disulfide is A. Heterogeneous and shows Tyndall effect, B. Homogeneous and shows Tyndall effect, C. Heterogeneous and does not show Tyndall effect, D. Homogeneous and does not show Tyndall effect. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. Sulfur is soluble in carbon disulfide, hence, a solution is formed when sulfur is mixed with carbon disulfide. Solution is homogeneous and does not show Tyndall effect. 22.
Which of the following are homogeneous in nature? 1. Ice. 2. Wood. 3. Soil. 4. Air. The correct option is C. Here the explanation is, ice and air are homogeneous in nature since they have same composition throughout and there are no visible boundaries between the components. 23. Which of the following are physical changes? Melting of iron metal, rusting of iron, bending of an iron rod, drawing a wire of iron metal. The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. Melting of iron metal, bending of an iron rod, and drawing a wire of iron metal are physical changes, since no new substances are formed during these changes. Only rusting of iron is a chemical change, since a new substance, rust, is formed. 24. Which of the following are chemical changes? A. Decaying of wood, B. Burning of wood, C. Sawing of wood, D. Hammering of a nail into a piece of wood. The correct option is A. Here is the explanation. Decaying of wood and burning of wood are chemical changes since there is a change in chemical composition of wood. Sawing of wood and hammering of a nail into a piece of wood are physical changes since there is no change in the composition of the wood during these changes.
Two substances A and B were made to react to form a third substance A2B according to the following reaction. 2A plus B gives A2B. Which of the following statements concerning this reaction are incorrect? 1. The product A2B shows the properties of substances A and B. 2. The product will always have a fixed composition. 3. The product so formed cannot be classified as a compound. 4. The product so formed is an element. The correct option is C. Explanation. 2A plus B gives A2B. The product A2B is a new compound formed, hence it does not show properties of A and B. The product formed is a compound and not an element.
26. Two chemical species X and Y combine together to form a product P which contains both X and Y, X plus Y giving P. X and Y cannot be broken down into simpler substances by simple chemical reactions. Which of the following concerning the species X, Y and P are correct? 1. P is a compound. 2. X and Y are compound. 3. X and Y are elements. 4. P has a fixed composition. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. X plus Y giving P. X and Y are elements, hence cannot be broken down into simpler substances. P is a compound, hence it has fixed composition.
Tincture of iodine has antiseptic properties. This solution is made by dissolving iodine in potassium iodide, iodine in Vaseline, iodine in water, iodine in alcohol. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. Iodine dissolved in alcohol is known as tincture of iodine and has antiseptic properties.
28. Non-metal which is lustrous. A. Iodine. B. Bromine. C. Chloride. D. Sulfate. The correct option is A. 29. Early man used these metals to make his tools first. A. Iron and copper. B. Gold and silver. C. Aluminium and copper. D. Silver and mercury. The correct option is A. 30th. Sulfide ores are usually concentrated by A. Calcination, B. Hydraulic washing, C. Gravity separation, or D. Froth flotation process. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. Froth flotation is a process for separating minerals from gangue by exploiting differences in their hydrophobicity. Flotation is gravity separation process in which air or gas bubbles are used to carry the suspended matter to the top of the liquid surface where they can be collected by a skimming process. Here is your question. Which is an alloy of mercury and one or more metals? A. Aqua regia. B. Amalgam. C. Bronze.
D. 22 karat gold. Drop your answer in the comment box. If you haven't watched Chemistry Part 1 yet, make sure to check it out. The link is available in the description.
Thank you for watching this session. For more learning updates, remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave your feedback in the comments. Keep learning.